Timilk Varicose Veins Treatment Review. Is it legit or a scam? Varicose veins can be both uncountable and aesthetically frustrating. Timilk offers creams, sprays, and patches claiming to reduce relief or even eliminate them. But can a topical product really address vein issues, or is it just a marketing hype? Let's find out. Timilk markets several products for at-home use. Vein Away vein relief creams with herbal extracts like horse chestnut, cypress lavender, and aloe promise to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and fade vein appearance within weeks. Vein herbal spray and microneedle patches claiming rapid deep delivery via mist or dissolvable needles to treat vein issues in just days. The site features glowing user stories and promises of visible results, though there are very few independent reviews or clinical trials. Medical experts agree. Topical creams cannot fix the root cause of varicose veins. Damaged vein valves and blood pooling cannot be resolved from skin surface. These products may offer mild symptom relief like reducing swelling or slight cosmetic changes, but they do not eliminate or repair deep vein damage. Unless supported by robust, independent clinical trials, such claims should be taken with caution. And now for the pros. It contains botanical ingredients with possible anti-inflammatory or soothing effects. Non-invasive, easy to use, and suitable for mild discomfort as a cosmetic enhancement. However, it doesn't treat the underlying condition. Varicose veins require medical intervention like sclerotherapy or ablation. Claims of eliminating veins in days are unverified and likely misleading. The website is newly registered and lacks reputable validation. Some trust check tools flag it as low risk, others warn of high risk due to its infancy. Superficial glowing testimonials without clinical backing. No detailed studies or peer-reviewed data supporting the product claims. So in short, Timil's vein retreatments aren't outright scams, but they're also not miracle cures. They may help soothe symptoms or slightly improve appearance for mild cases, but shouldn't replace medical evaluation. If any product sounds too good to be true, like disappearing veins in a week, it's a red flag. For lasting relief, consult a vein specialist and explore evidence-backed treatments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.